Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 14. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here has been the phone previously, and in the box you will find here another white box if you remove the complete stuff here, and on the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, always the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray you can enter next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, or a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this here, so press it well, so that's where I insert it. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add now optional a second SIM card on the other side of the SIM tray. So for that, you need to press it from both sides, so that's well inserted. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So a bit different than the first one, but same thing. The SIM card is having a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and the contacts, they are on top. In case, if you want to add a microSD card to extend the internal storage, you have to decide now between a second SIM card or a microSD card, because it needs the same place here. Okay, let's remove the second SIM card to make the full space here for the microSD card. Press it well from both sides, that they are well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. It only fits like that. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay. And now we need to insert the SIM tray back into the SIM slot, anyhow with one or two SIM cards, or with or without microSD card. And yeah, the first SIM card, so the main SIM card, is always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.